5 Best Garbage Disposals 2017. Number 5. GE GFC 525V. Heavy-duty 1.5 horsepower permanent magnet motor. Easy mount installation with removable splash guard and stopper included. Large capacity with galvanized steel turntable. Weight 9 pounds. Drain boost technology. Stainless steel, dual swivel, anti-jam grinding blades. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Insinerator Badger 5XP. Garbage disposal featuring a 26 ounces grind chamber with galvanized steel grind system. 3x4 horsepower DuraDrive induction motor. We come to you 3-year in-home limited warranty. Weight 15.1 pounds. Power cord not included, waste disposal unit only. Made in the USA. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Waste King 9940. High-speed motor. Easy installation. Professional 3-bolt mount for a quick and easy kitchen sink installation. Eight-year limited in-home warranty. No electrical expertise needed. Includes all hardware required. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Insinerator Evolution XL. Sound seal technology which delivers ultra-quiet performance of Versus. With 3 grind stages to quickly grind virtually any food waste. 40 ounces stainless steel grind chamber and grind components for longevity. Weight 25.5 pounds. 1 horsepower DuraDrive induction motor, power cord not included. We come to you 7-year in-home limited warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. KitchenAid KCDS 100G. Continuous speed allows for quick cleanup after meals. Motor rotates at 1725 RPM for effective grinding. Weight 9 pounds. Sound Seal Plus technology makes the disposer quiet. 1 horsepower motor. 3 different grind stages. Please check the description for detail and prices.